Hello everyone, welcome to class 17B. Today we are going to learn how to build a story with the help of a picture. Building a story from a picture develops your speaking skills, imagination, creativity and vocabulary. Now look at the picture carefully, observe the picture, think creatively, imagine, speak, create a beautiful story. When I ask you to observe the picture, start collecting important words. For example, children, ladder, birdhouse, hammer, tree, birds, flowers, nest, garden, wooden board, and many more. These words will help you to build a meaningful story. Now let us move on to the next slide. Observe these four pictures carefully and build a story. The questions below will help you build the story easily. Now let me ask you some questions. You answer them and build the story. What do you see in these pictures? Very good. Who are the children? Excellent. Where are they? Wonderful. What are they doing? Very good. Now look at the second picture. What is the boy holding? Excellent. Where is he fixing the birdhouse? Very good. Now look at the third picture. Who will live in the birdhouse? Fantastic. How do the birds feel? Excellent. What do you think will happen next? Wonderful. Great. You have now built a beautiful story. Now let us move on to the next slide. Did your story match mine? Don't worry if it didn't. I welcome your story too because every story is special. Now let us read my story together. Repeat after me. The title of the story is A Home for Birds. What is the title? Very good. Let us continue the story. Once upon a time, there lived a brother and a sister. One day, they went to their garden. They wanted to make a home for the birds. Repeat after me. Very good. The boy carved the wood and made a bird house. He carried it to the old tree. His sister helped him by bringing a ladder. Repeat, please. Excellent. He climbed the ladder and fixed the birdhouse on the tree. Soon the birds found their new home. One by one, they came and lived in the birdhouse. Repeat, please. Wonderful. The children were happy to see the birds safe and comfortable. Everyone appreciated their kindness. Repeat, please. Fantastic. Now, let us read the moral. The moral of the story is be kind to birds. What is the moral? Very good. Now it's your turn. Can you give this story another title? Can you tell the story in your own words? Can you write a different moral? Write your answers in the comments. See you in the next class. Thank you. Kindly share, subscribe, like and comment.